Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. Today in this presentation, in this video, we are going to see wireless network security in depth. What is wireless offers us? It is the convenience of way of connecting devices with physical cables, but they are susceptible to virus attacks. Ensuring security is crucial to protect sensitive data and maintain user privacy. This presentation explores the vulnerability of wireless network and emphasizes the importance of implementing robust security measures. Now let's start our video without wasting any time. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. So let's first understand what is wireless networking. A wireless network allows devices to connect without cables using radio signals. Repeat, using radio signals. Enables devices to connect using radio signals without cables. This is the definition. The wireless is a convenient but easier for attackers to target. I will give you an example: Wi-Fi at home, office caps. So simple. I hope you know that. Then, why wireless needs security? Importance of security. First thing we will see there, because attackers can connect without permission if there will be no password, or steal Wi-Fi password, or capture data over the air. They can also perform man-in-the-middle attack. I hope you are all aware of that man-in-the-middle attack. If not, we have already discussed that. Then also they can inject malware. That is here. Why wireless network needs security? Why it needs security? Unauthorized access. Attacks can easily connect to unsecured network. Risk of password theft, data interception. Types of attacks include man-in-the-middle attacks and malware injection. Now, wireless security methods. WEP is an old one, an outdated and weak Wi-Fi security protocol. Easily hacked in minutes, it should not be used. WPA, an improvement over WEP, but still considered weak nowadays due to vulnerabilities. WPA2 provides strong security using AES encryption. We already discussed that AES encryption, and is widely recommended for current network. WPA3, it is the latest and strong protocol, offering enhanced protection and difficult to exploit, making it ideal for modern cyber security. If your router allows WPA3, if it is in latest version, please select WPA3 over WPA2. It is the latest one and had enhanced features than WPA2. Now, how to secure home Wi-Fi? Some easy tips. Use WPT or WPA3, ensuring higher level of protection for your network. Set a strong password, more than 12 characters or 16 characters. As much as long you can, go for that. Data unauthorized access with a unique password. Then, if you are in a thread or like that, if you will go for 10 to 12 characters, you guys think that how can we remember that password? It's so simple. Just I will give an example of some strong password. For example, my best friend Ali likes the red color. It's a long password. My laptop's name is something something something. I wake up from bed at something something something. This is the main tip. If you go for that, go for it. Then change default router password. First of all, you should go for this. If your router is default password, please change it. Prevent easy hacking attacks by changing it. Hide your SSID. Make your network leak visible to potential intruders. Enable your router's firewall. Another main tip. Easy. Provide an additional layer of security against threat. If you want a practical demo video on how to save router, please let me know in comment section. I will go through that. Now we'll see wireless encryption. Wireless encryption. It uses an encryption so data is unreadable to attackers. Wi-Fi employs encryption method to make data unreadable to hackers. Effectively, the most effective currently is AES, known for its strong security. Avoid TKIP. TPK is outdated and should be avoided for WPA WP3 networks. Choose AES. Choosing AES WPA is crucial for data security. Now we will see some common wireless attacks. What are the possible attacks that we can go for it? First one, evil twin attackers create fake Wi-Fi networks to deceive users. Evil twin. Another Wi-Fi sniffing. Malicious actors read capture wireless traffic. Password cracking. Malicious password cracking. Techniques to break Wi-Fi password. Simple. De-authentication attack. Regue access point. Unauthorized pointers interrupt legitimate user data. Then for an coffee free Wi-Fi, coffee shop free Wi-Fi, for an office free Wi-Fi registration and development. Some public Wi-Fi risks. First one, significant security risks. Connecting to public Wi-Fi network or significant security due to their often unsecured nature. Data encryption. Hackers can intercept data, steal password, hijack sessions on public network. The tip is using VPN, virtual private network, on public Wi-Fi is strongly recommended to encrypt your data and protect your privacy. We all know that how VPN works. If you have not watched that video I have made a dedicated video on this VPN where we have discussed how this works, what are types of VPN and so on. Please go and check that video. Now we will summarize this wireless network security summary. Vulnerability of wireless network, where we say that some utilize radio waves, making them more vulnerable to attack compared to wired connections. Avoid outdated protocol. Avoid using outdated protocol like WP, WPA to maintain a secure network environment. Use WPA or WPA3. Always use WPA3 for your network security to ensure data is protected. Risks of public Wi-Fi. Be aware of that Wi-Fi is inherently unsafe. Use VPN for protection. This was all about today's video. If you like this video, please make sure hit that like button. Got it? And if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and share the video with your friends as much as you can. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.